All right, so today we are doing an unboxing. We're not going to go and ride with these on it today because we're waiting for better weather and we're waiting for my schedule and my wife's schedule to kind of match so the two of us can go riding together so we can actually test these properly. So this is kind of video 1 out of 2, but the unboxing / first look. That's always good. Yeah? All right, let's do that. All right, so I had never heard of this brand, and it's on Amazon. It's the XGP Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset version 5.2 with music sharing. That's kind of nice. I see a lot of people that actually want that ability to share music. 1200 meter motorcycle helmet Bluetooth with IP67 waterproof, which is to be expected from a motorcycle intercom. Motorcycle communication system with hi-fi speakers, strong bass for, it says dirt bikes, but I'm pretty sure it's for any kind of bikes. Yeah. Now here's the kicker. First off, 92 ratings, which is awesome. This is a new release. 4.5 stars. That's actually really good for something with that many reviews already. If we look at the pictures, of course, light and slim, which is actually really good. 1200 meters. Now, I'm not going to say 1200 meters that's in like optimum condition with like everything perfect. You know what? If you can get half a kilometer with these, I'm like, yeah, that's awesome. You're looking at 2 hours charging time, 30 hours of music time, 35 hours of talk time, 360 hours of standby time, and Type-C. Now, the big one for me, of course, is it says 35 hours of talk time because I don't usually listen to music through this kind of stuff, but you can. But if you're using it just so that you're in communication with whatever and you're occasionally talking, these should get 35 hours. So you can easily get a couple days before you have to recharge these. So that's awesome into itself. I don't even... Built-in microphone noise canceling. Yeah, that's kind of standard. And stereo loudspeakers. So you may be asking, hey, how much do these cost? Well, as you can see here, sold out, so I don't know in the US. But here's what's awesome. In Canada, which means the price should be either similar or the price here should be even more because it's in Canadian dollars. You're looking at $166 for a pair. That's fantastic. And 61 ratings here in Canada as well, 4.5 stars. Plus you get an $18 coupon. So that brings them down to like $150 for a pair. That's pretty killer, I have to say. That's pretty killer. So what we're going to do is we are going to take a look at what's in this box, and we'll do that kind of right now. So it's a nice looking box. I'm going to give it that as far as boxes go. XGP Motorcycle Intercom. Fancy, small. It's not an overly large box, but that's all right. This must open somehow. Ooh, look at that. It folds out into like some kind of weird map thing. I like that. And there they be. Oh, yes. Where am I here? There they... Yeah, they are nice. That's small, right? Maybe this is the model number. No, that's just XGP. I thought it was like, oh, it's the X6P. No, the XGP. Those are nice. It's... I'm trying to figure out what you have. So you're going to have... Is this a button? It is a button. There's your USB-C charging port right there. Yes. But it's got a nice like seal, I would think, on it, which is also really nice too, because that would be charging as well as it would be where your mic and everything plugs into. So it's kind of a one-stop shop, which is good. This is your plus and minus. So I would think as well that this is going to be volume up, volume down. If you're in a menu system, it's going to be going up through it or down through it. If you're on the radio, if they have a radio, does it have a radio? I'm not even sure. I'd have to check for you. I'll figure that out in the follow-up video. But that would be kind of up and down as well. And then you have just this button. And my guess would be, this was my guess, one of these is going to be pushed to instigate the actual intercom system. And maybe you tap it once to go intercom, tap it twice to go back to your own Bluetooth system. So a lot of us are going to stream music or whatever, or navigation from their phone or from an actual, like a Garmin or something like that, to these. So this may toggle between what you're using. So Bluetooth in the GPS, and then you're like, no, I need to talk to my passenger or talk to my other rider. So you click this one, is my guess. And then this maybe is like a power or a mode button or something like that. What happens if I hold it? Does it do anything? Any lights? I'm just playing. Nothing. What about if I hold this one? Anything? Nothing. So I'm gonna have to read the manual. That's okay. But you get two of them, of course. $150 for two. That's awesome. And they give you, it's kind of nice too. They actually give you two manuals for this kind of stuff, quick button commands, because this would be great. Like of course, I'm going to use this for me and my wife, and we live in the same household, so one would be fine. But if you were like, I'm going to buy one, and my buddy's going to get one because it's a better deal just to kind of buy the dual pack, then we both get our own manual. So this is definitely something that I'm going to have to read. So you get a battery prompt, low battery prompt. You can do a factory reset, power on. Oh, what does this say? Power on. I think you hold both of them. I want to power it on just to see. Hold both. Aha! See, and it's pairing. So it's got a little blue flash on it. Yes. Oh, I like that. Maybe you just hold them again to turn it off. Oh, it's red now. I think probably now. And I don't have headphones into it, so I don't know what it's doing. So we'll just put that off to the side. Anyways, power on, power off, hold for 3. Yeah, it says hold for 3 seconds again to power off. So 1, 2, 3, off is my guess. Cool. But this is handy. If you had a set of these and you have a bike with like some storage on it, honestly, I would just carry this in the storage, so you just kind of have it with you all the time. I like that. That's nice. And then we'll just open one of these because one is all we need to open. And this is going to be, of course, your headset and all this kind of stuff. Yes? Yes. So you get your helmet clip. Okay? So it's just a nice one that slides in between the padding and the shell. You get a, what is this? Oh, it's your like stick-on. This is your stick-on mic for those of you that are wearing like a full face helmet or anything like that. That's a stick-on. You can just pop it wherever you want to pop it. You also get a boom mic for those that are wearing maybe a full face. Sorry, it could be a full face for sure. A 3/4, modular, anything like that. You're gonna probably want to use one of these. So that's kind of nice as well. That's going to be your USB-A to USB-C, so that's your charging cable. This is maybe, so you have the option. Maybe the options are, maybe this is an option, or this is front and this is back. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, I see. This one clamps on, and this one just sticks on. So if you want to have it just permanently stuck on there, because I actually have helmets that you just can't, the padding is permanently attached, so you can't take it out to clean it or anything, but it also means that you can't slide a clamp in there, right? And last but not least, these are going to be your headphones. Yes, and again, there's that USB-C connector to go in. So that's actually really nice. I like it. It all seems nice and small and concise and should do everything it's supposed to do. I actually just bought a new helmet. I'm not 100% sure if I want to put intercoms on it because I bought it so that it fits really nice. I don't know if it actually has spots in it for like speaker holes, speaker cutouts. I'd have to see. But I do have a lot of helmets, so I can figure out one to use with these. Anyways, these look super cool. Super cool. And like I said, $150 Canadian for two. That's a steal. That's a steal. Right now, I can't tell you what they sound like or anything like that. But as soon as the weather gets a little nicer and my wife and my schedule kind of matches up, we'll mount these. I'm going to mount them on the helmets tonight so that whenever that day comes about, we can just try them out. Stay tuned for that video. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. This is the XGP Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. It looks like it could be a good deal. All right, guys, links down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.